Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we need to consider the following 6 numbers. Part 1 requires us to list all the integers out. So armed with a calculator, 2 pi is equals to 6.283 This is not an integer. The cube root of negative 100 is negative 4.6415 also not an integer. And this one will be 0.34444, never ending. Square root 121 is 11. Alright, so from here we need to list out the integers, and the integer is 1 and 11, but take note, I don't write 11. I write as the original number that is given, which is square root 121. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction. So the answer for this would then be 2 pi cube root negative 100. The rest of the numbers can be expressed as a fraction. For prime number, the only number is 11, which is square root 121. Recurring decimals is 0.34. And now, arrange all the numbers in ascending order. Given the smallest would be the negative number. Oops. Square root of negative 100, followed by, now I'm going to compare 0.3434 and 0.3444. You can see from here which one is the smallest. 3434 is the smallest, followed by 0.34 recurring, and the next number will be 1, followed by 6 point something. This is 2 pi, and 11 is the largest. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.